Luxury can't be imitated, it's crafted. Every detail meticulously sculpted from the best materials by world-class craftspeople until they meet the highest possible standard, the Bentley standard, which sets us apart. Extraordinary materials, authentically applied with over 100 years of skills and experience. We use a combination of leathers and luxury textiles on our interiors in the car. But they don't just look good. We also use soft materials under those surfaces to give a high tactile feeling, which means the car's a warm, welcoming haven, and it triggers an emotional response from our customers when they interact with it. We always have and always will innovate the materials inside our car.
I really enjoy my job. Not many people can actually say that. Not many people can come to work and actually enjoy the job. But I get to meet some lovely people on a daily basis. It's really extraordinary, and it's really nice to show the workmanship that goes into a Bentley. A lot of people don't realise it's actually hand-done.
It's a skilled process to learn and takes a lot of training and attention to detail.
I think passion drives a business a lot, especially as being such a craftsmanship-centred business.
So it's that uniqueness that every time you come in, although it can be slightly repetitive at times, it's always different.
It's 100+ years of people with brilliant ideas, pushing them forward, passing them on to the next generation.
And what we're very, very good at, and making sure that we're always involving our people in the decision making that we're making and the direction that we want to go in.
Biggest thing for me about working at Bentley is the people. It's like working with your family.
And I don't think I've ever stopped learning. Even through being in production for 5 years, you're constantly learning and adapting. And then coming into trim development has been a big learning curve, but it's been amazing. I'm still learning.
Everyone has so much pride in what they're trying to deliver. We are responsible for bringing to life customers' dreams over and above what they can create on the configurator or with a retailer. We thrive on challenge in terms of customers wanting to bring something to life that really represents them as individuals. And the team do an amazing job at creating really, really unique one-of-one vehicles and work directly with the clients. Again, just gives a different view on how magical Bentley is seen by the outside world and how the clients are so emotional about what they're buying into. It's not just a product for them.
I think it's just instilled to us from the start. You sort of introduce, you learn at your own pace, but you also know the standard that you've got to work to. So we know the standard, so we don't really strive for anything less. So the skills that we're learning that colleagues have been doing for decades, that are sort of passed down for the likes of me that have sort of only just come here.
I've been here 22 years as of yesterday.
You come across a lot of people who are so passionate about what they do and passionate about creating the best product on the market.
Our cars stand out, and they stand out in a showroom, they stand out on a car park. It doesn't matter where they are. If you see a Bentley, even for myself who's worked here a very long time, you're drawn to it, you feel the need to maybe go and have a little look inside, and I think it's that. I think it's the extraordinary, that it's not just a run-of-the-mill car, it's something completely different.
It's that experience that gives us that attention to detail, the understanding of quality that makes a Bentley.
We pride ourselves on doing things the old traditional way, because it's a method and a way that has always worked. I think that approach to just being very careful in everything you do, very hand-worked, is what gives us that handcrafted look at the end of the process. We think what we do is quite special, but seeing the customer responses, speaking to the customers, it's clear that they do as well.
For 100 years, Bentley has been crafting metal, wood and leather. And in the new age, we want to apply the same attention to detail to light, sound and scent.
Bentley's always represented the best in physical craftsmanship. But as we move into the digital age, we want to retain that passion and love of material execution and bring that passion into the digital age. We want to pioneer what we call a new digital craftsmanship that sits alongside the physical craftsmanship, where we work with artisans and designers to bring a richness to the digital that you don't get in any other car company.